I was not expecting this. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily color your hair at home. I love to experiment with different hair color. This time, I decided to color my hair pink. I have Streax Professional Groovy Pink to color my hair today. So I thought why not shoot a proper long format video to share the tutorial with you guys. You really get this, no gloves or brush with it. So without further ado, let's get started.
To belong, trying to make it seem like we're somebody else. Set the perfect frame up, hide behind the makeup, like it's worth the cost of losing yourself. Sit there all alone, wishing we were known, trying to find a home in the palm of our hand. Think it's time to wake up from the world we made up. No better time than now to begin. A picture's only worth a couple thousand words, and that's the only thing it'll ever be. And when it's up and gone,
According to the instructions, we have to keep it on for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly until water runs clear, which means we don't have to shampoo while washing off this color. So I'll come back after 30 minutes. I was not expecting this much intense color. This is the final result, and I absolutely love how it turned out. It's a bright fuchsia color. Wow. A lot of people ask how long is this color going to last. Now it totally depends on how frequently you're going to wash your hair. The more you wash your hair, the color it's going to bleed, but I think this color bleeds less compared to red color, because red color बहुत ज़्यादा bleed करता है. I've washed my hair 2 times, so अभी तक इतना ज़्यादा bleed तो नहीं हुआ. You need to bleach your hair before coloring. Bleach hair पे ही ये color आएगा. Black hair पे कभी भी ऐसे bright poppy colors नहीं आते हैं. Now you have to take good care of your colored hair. A good color protecting shampoo, a conditioner, hair mask once or twice a week. Colored hair gets tangled easily, so for that you have to use a nice leave-in serum. That's all for today's video. If you like it, then do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.